Hello everyone, welcome back to the beloved and happy channel. 10 irresistible behaviors that attract men like a magnet. Have you ever wondered why some women have an almost magnetic attraction that effortlessly draws men to them? It's not just about looks. It's something deeper, something irresistible that makes a man want to be around her. Today, we're going to uncover the 10 powerful behaviors that make a woman unforgettable and completely captivating to men. Hello everyone and welcome back to the beloved and happy channel. If you've ever wanted to understand the secret to effortless attraction, you've come to the right place. While every man has individual preferences, certain behaviors create a deep and lasting impact that goes beyond appearances. In this video, we'll break down the key traits that naturally attract men and make them crave your presence. But before we dive in, do us a quick favor. If you find this content valuable, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. This will help more people discover these insights. Also, we have something really special for you at the end of this video, so be sure to watch until the very end. Here's a question for you. Which of these behaviors do you think is the most powerful when it comes to attraction? Confidence, positivity, or something else? Leave your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get started. Number 1. Exude youthful energy. Regardless of age, men are often unconsciously attracted to signs of youthfulness and vitality. But it's not about physical age or an obsession with appearance. It's about a certain energy and joie de vivre that shines through no matter what your age. Qualities such as a genuine smile, clear and confident communication, and an overall sense of health and well-being make a lasting impression. Youthfulness can also be expressed through openness, curiosity, and a love of new experiences. Imagine the effect of someone whose very presence exudes enthusiasm for life. It's truly magnetic. The idea of youth as attractive is deeply rooted in society and even biology, as it often signals health and vitality. But when you bring this concept to life by embracing your own unique vitality, you naturally draw him in and show that you're a woman who knows how to make the most of every moment. Number 2. Exude the kind of charisma that lights up a room. There's something almost mystical about charisma. It's a blend of confidence, kindness, and warmth that makes others feel valued and appreciated. True charisma isn't about being the loudest or most attention-seeking person in the room. Instead, it's about making people feel seen and heard. Studies show that quick thinking and the ability to be present in the moment contribute to charismatic appeal. Charismatic people have a way of creating a special atmosphere around them that feels magnetic and unforgettable. A charismatic woman doesn't just attract attention, she captures hearts. She's approachable, friendly and confident, someone who exudes confidence without arrogance. When a man senses this kind of energy, he feels drawn to you, almost as if he can't help but want to be closer to you. Number 3. Embrace your natural beauty. Yes, let your hair down. It may sound simple, but there's something alluring about a woman who lets her hair down, both literally and figuratively. Studies show that men are attracted to women with medium to long hair, perhaps because it is associated with femininity, softness, and relaxed energy. Long, flowing hair adds a touch of mystery and signals that you're comfortable and confident in your natural state. It's not about following a trend, it's about embracing your natural appeal in a way that feels authentic to you. Next time you're out with him, try letting your hair down and see how he reacts. Men are often more attracted to a look that feels effortless and genuine than one that is overly styled or carefully planned. 4. Make him feel comfortable when he's with you. One of the most powerful factors in attraction is how someone feels in your presence. If you can create an environment where he feels relaxed, valued, and understood, he'll naturally want to be around you. Men, like everyone else, are drawn to positive experiences and people who uplift them. Compliment him, celebrate his small victories, and really listen when he shares his thoughts. Avoid unnecessary drama, keep your interactions lighthearted, and focus on enjoying each other's company. Over time, he'll begin to associate these positive feelings with you, and as a result, he'll feel deeply drawn to your presence. The comfort and happiness you provide will make him want to spend more time with you as he begins to feel that life is a little brighter with you around. Number 5. Master the art of forgiveness and letting go of small things. In any relationship, nagging or holding on to small grudges can undermine attraction over time. Men, in particular, appreciate a partner who can move on without dwelling on small mistakes or imperfections. By embracing forgiveness, you show a deep level of maturity and empathy, and you make it clear that you're focused on the bigger picture. Imagine the relief he feels knowing you won't hold every little misstep against him. Forgiveness isn't about ignoring your own feelings or letting big issues slide. It's about understanding that everyone makes mistakes, and that true connection is built on patience and understanding. When you're able to let things go, he'll feel freer and more relaxed around you, which will naturally strengthen the bond between you. 6. Be spontaneous. Embrace life's little adventures. Men are often attracted to women who bring a sense of adventure and spontaneity to their lives. This doesn't mean you have to be on the go all the time or live the life of a thrill seeker. It's about embracing the beauty of the present moment and being open to trying new things. Maybe it's an impromptu road trip or simply the suggestion of a walk under the stars. Whatever it is, the ability to go with the flow and enjoy life's surprises is incredibly attractive. This spontaneity shows him that you're a person who values experience over rigid planning and that you're not afraid to embrace the unknown. When you show that you can handle life's little twists and turns with a smile, he feels inspired to do the same, creating a shared sense of joy and excitement. 7. Show respect by valuing his time. Punctuality is important. Being on time may seem like a small thing, but it speaks volumes about your respect for him and for the relationship. Making the effort to be on time shows that you value his time and consider him a priority in your life. Consistently showing up on time for dates or events tells him that he can count on you and that you respect his schedule. Conversely, if you're always late, it can make him feel undervalued and question your interest. Being on time reflects strong personal values and builds trust, qualities that will deepen his attraction to you over time. Number 8. Admire and respect his strengths. Men are naturally attracted to women who make them feel respected and valued. Respect is often more important to a man than love itself because it speaks to his core needs for self-worth and meaning. When you encourage his ambitions, recognize his efforts, and admire his unique qualities, he feels uplifted and motivated. This doesn't mean you have to agree with everything he does or give up your own opinions. But showing respect means valuing his perspective, celebrating his accomplishments, and giving him the space to lead in his own way. Number 9. Embody confidence. Be sure of yourself and your worth. Confidence is incredibly magnetic. A woman who knows her worth and stands strong in her convictions without needing constant validation makes a powerful impression. Confidence isn't about being loud or brash. It's about being comfortable in your own skin, trusting your choices, and handling life's challenges with grace. Men often rate confidence as even more attractive than physical beauty because it creates an aura of self-sufficiency and allure that's impossible to ignore. Number 10. Bring positivity into his life. Optimism is key. After all, there's nothing more attractive than a woman who exudes positivity and optimism. Life is full of challenges and having a positive partner can make all the difference. A positive outlook doesn't mean ignoring life's difficulties, but rather choosing to focus on the bright side and lift up those around you. If you consistently bring joy, laughter, and hope into his life, he'll feel deeply connected to you. Attracting a man on a deep level is not about manipulation or trying to be someone you're not. It's about embracing your unique qualities and embodying the traits that naturally draw people to you. By cultivating these behaviors, you create a magnetic aura that makes them feel respected, valued, and appreciated. True attraction is built on genuine connection, mutual respect, and shared joy. When you focus on becoming the best version of yourself, the right man will be captivated by your authenticity and inspired to be around you again and again. Did you enjoy these insights? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to sign up for more deep dives into the psychology of attraction and the art of relationships. As always, thanks for watching and see you all next time.